Welcome to lesson 3. Go ahead and complete this first page, including your name, today's date, and your team at the top, along with filling out today's appetizer. Alrighty, let's go ahead and turn to the main dish. Today we're going to be focusing on creating equivalent fractions, and before we get into it, we are going to do a little bit of vocabulary work to make sure we're on the same page with what those mean. Equivalent just simply means equal in value. Equivalent fractions then mean fractions that represent the same value even though they look different. So today we are going to get to explore creating equivalent fractions by using visual models. So if you're looking at the first visual model here, the fraction that's being represented is 1/4. So we're going to put that under the starting fraction. Then we're going to take a look at what is right above that visual model, and we're actually going to create that many rows within this visual model. So that sounds confusing, but let me show you what I mean. Within this model, we're going to turn this one-rowed model into a two-rowed model. So I'm going to make a split line horizontally in order to make 1, 2 rows. What I've just done is I've actually created a new fraction that has the same value of my starting 1/4 fraction. So now I have 8 pieces total, and 2 of them are filled in. 1, 2. So 2/8 is my equivalent fraction. I'm going to put an equal sign because 1/4 and 2/8 had the same value. If I ate 1/4 of the cake and my sister ate 2/8 of the cake, we'd be eating the same amount of cake. It's just a different look. We're going to do the same thing with the next model. So first, our starting fraction is 1/5. And again, we're going to turn this model into a two-rowed model. So I'm going to split it. I'm going to label my rows over here. And now I have a total of 10 pieces with 2 of them filled in. 1/5 and 2/10 are equivalent fractions. They have the same value. They just look slightly different with the numbers. Let's go ahead and turn to main dish part 2 and get some extra practice with this. This time our starting fraction is 1/3, and we're going to make the model have 3 rows. So there's 1 row, 2 rows, and then the 3rd row. And I'm going to label those off to the side. Now our model has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces total. And 3 of them are shaded in. So our fraction that's being represented now is 3/9. Again, 1/3 and 3/9 are equivalent. They are the exact same value, just with different numbers. Our last model is going to be starting fraction of 1/2. And this time we're going to create 4 rows. So there's my first row, my second row, and my 3rd and 4th row. Again, labeled off to the side. And what's the equivalent fraction for 1/2 going to be this time? 4/8. Same value, just different numbers to represent the fractions. We're going to use these models to help us determine if the following fractions are equivalent or not equivalent. So first, we're going to draw out the first fraction, the 1/5, by drawing our model, creating the 5 equal parts, shading in the 1, and now I'm going to need to make it turn into 10 pieces. So what I can do is divide this into 2 rows in order to make 10 pieces. I'm looking at my fraction here and it says 1/5 would be equivalent to 2/10, but not 3/10. So this is a false inequality statement. These two fractions are not equivalent. Go ahead and try the same thing with 1/2 and 2/4. This one is true. 1/2 and 2/4 do have the same value. This is an example of equivalent fractions. Go ahead and you'll be doing more of this on your dessert today.